Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench, where we are here to help homeowners maintain and improve their homes. If you are a homeowner, please consider subscribing to our channel, and we will bring you advice, information, and products to keep your home looking great. Today we are in the garden, and we are talking about ways to keep pests away from your vegetable garden. Every gardener has been there. It's summertime, and your beautiful vegetable garden is starting to pop. You're ready to get those first tomatoes off the vine, only to find out that the gang of neighborhood squirrels needed a couple of your heirlooms for their pasta party. One way to keep unwelcome critters away from your garden is the use of natural repellents. Lemon, pepper, and garlic are three natural repellents that you can safely and easily use around your vegetable garden. If you're looking for convenience, there are several options that you can buy at your local hardware store. These are repellents that come in granular or liquid form that you can easily apply to your garden to keep those squirrels and rabbits away from your vegetables. Many of these repellents fall under the guidelines of organic gardening and do not contain any poisons or toxins that would harm the pests or harm the vegetables in your garden. Now, one downside of using some of these granular or spray products is that they can wash away in the rain or the wind. Once you apply, you're going to have to reapply. A repellent product that I'm using in my garden this year is this cartridge made by the Giant Destroyer. Each cartridge holds a little tube of garlic oil, which is a natural repellent that will keep the pests away from my tomato plants. And there's a little clip here that makes it easy to clip on to the tomato vine. So far, this garlic oil cartridge has kept the pests away from my tomatoes, and I like it because this garlic oil won't wash away in the rain because it's protected by this cartridge. For your convenience, we've put some of the products that we've used in our garden to keep pests away in the comments, so you'll find that down there. And I also want to hear from you about what has worked in your garden to keep pests away. So please put that in the comments as well. And as always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.